Sure, here's a professionally written, scrambled, non-headline script for a YouTube video reviewing the 2025 Helicopter H215. Opening shot, cinematic drone footage of the H215 inside a sleek, all-white luxury showroom. Soft music fades in. The moment you lay eyes on the 2025 H215, it's clear this isn't just a helicopter. It's a statement of modern aviation elegance. Wrapped in an ultra-glossy high-shine white finish, the H215 reflects light like polished chrome, effortlessly standing out in its pristine showroom display. Let's talk design. From the rotor blades down to the landing gear, everything feels meticulously sculpted. The rear section, in particular, has undergone a bold redesign, with aerodynamic contours and integrated taillights that echo the design language of next-generation aircraft. Powering the H215 is a twin-engine setup engineered for both performance and precision. It's built for versatility, whether it's VIP, transport, search and rescue, or tactical operations. This helicopter adapts without compromising comfort or control. Inside the cabin, the story continues. Think luxury meets utility. Noise, tech, plush seating, and panoramic windows create an in-flight experience that feels more like a private jet than a ROTORCRAFT. Avionics fully digital. With the 2025 upgrade, the H215 now features an intuitive glass cockpit interface, automated flight assistance, and enhanced safety systems that are miles ahead of its previous iterations. From the tailboom to the nose, everything about the H215 has been elevated, not just in terms of hardware but in how it feels. It's sleek, it's silent, and it's smarter than ever. Standing proudly behind it in the showroom is a minimalistic banner with one simple mark: H215. No need for flashy slogans. The machine speaks for itself. Whether you're a pilot, an enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates precision engineering, the 2025 Helicopter H215 demands attention. This has been a closer look at one of the most anticipated releases in rotary aviation this year. If you're into future-forward aircraft design and cutting-edge performance, the H215 is definitely worth your radar. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth reviews, just like this one. Fade out with slow-motion shot of the H215 rotor spinning under soft white lighting. Would you like a version with a voiceover tone guide, or one formatted for subtitles or TikTok-style short edits?